Naomi Levy coming at you from my home bar in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Let's take a few seconds to talk about vodka. The United States defines it as colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Well, they got it right on 2 of the 3, but vodka isn't really tasteless. To make vodka, you're going to distill your base ingredients to a really high proof. Distilling to a higher proof strips away a lot of the flavors from that base ingredient, but not all of them. Vodkas can be made from basically anything. Oftentimes, you see it from a grain like wheat, corn, or potato, but it can be made from any fruit or vegetable like beets or grapes. Ultimately, even though it's distilled to a really high proof, stripping away a lot of those flavors, some will still come through. A vodka made from wheat is going to have a little more spice and black pepper to it. And a vodka made from corn is going to be a little rounder, a little sweeter. Ultimately, in a good vodka, you want something that's really nice and clean and round, something that's going to carry the rest of the flavors of your cocktail really, really well. So let's make a cocktail. We're going to make a Moscow Mule. Very simple, just a couple ingredients. So we'll start off with our vodka, of course. We're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. Next up, some fresh lime juice. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Now, whether you want to put simple syrup or not into your Moscow Mule is up to you. A lot of it will depend on how sweet of a ginger beer you have. I like to add just a touch, just 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. All right, let's shake this up. We're not going to shake it quite as long as we might shake a drink that we're serving up. Because we're adding a soda to this, we're going to be sort of watering it down more with the soda, so we don't want to overdo it when we shake. A lot of these recipes say to top it with the soda or ginger beer in this case, but we're actually going to bottom. We're going to put the ginger beer in first. This is because the ginger beer is lighter than our cocktail, and all those bubbles are going to move up through the cocktail, incorporating all the flavors together. If we put the ginger beer on top, it would just kind of float there and wouldn't fully incorporate into our cocktail. So we're going to do 4 ounces of ginger beer. All right, strain our Moscow Mule over the top. Top with fresh ice. And optional is to give it a little garnish of a piece of lime. And you have a great, refreshing vodka cocktail. If you're looking for a way to always ensure you have bartender quality mixers at your home anytime, I highly recommend Cheeky Mixers. They were developed by an incredible bartender in New York. They're all shelf stable, so you can have fresh lime juice and simple syrup at the ready. And then when you are ready to use them, they'll store in your fridge from anywhere from 3 days to 2 weeks. It's a great way to make sure that you always have what you need to make cocktails whenever you're ready. And if you use the link in my bio, 20% of all sales will go directly to the Camberville Hospitality Fund. If you like this video, or even if you didn't, please donate. Cambridge and Somerville area hospitality workers need your help.